next property number is point number 11. This is page number 94 of Arya Book Depot class 8. This point 11 is saying there are 6 numbers 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 lying between 9 and 16, where 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, or 26, 27, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34 and 35. They are 10 in number. We conclude that there are 2n numbers lying between n square and n plus 1 square. There are 2n numbers lying between n square and n plus 1 square. So here it is n square dot 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 n plus 1 square. In between, the total numbers are 2n. You can check. Suppose n is equal to 4. That means 16 to 25. Numbers will be 8. How? 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, 24, that all. 2, 4, 6 and 8. If n is equal to 5, then n square is 25 and here n plus 1, that is 36. Total number here to there will be 10. We start from 26, 29, 34 and 35. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what is the conclusion? Conclusion is there are 2n numbers in between the n square and n plus 1 square. This is property number 11. Now, property number 12. The square of any natural number n equals the sum of first n odd numbers, that is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus dot 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 till n numbers is equal to n square. The square of any natural number n equals the square of any natural number n equals the sum of the n odd numbers, that is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus dot 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 is equal to n in number. N number is equal to n square. Suppose n is equal to 1. N is equal to 1. Then n square is equal to 1 square is equal to 1. Then n is equal to 2. The odd number is 1 plus 3, that is 2 square, that is 4. N is equal to 3. The odd numbers are 1 plus 3 plus 5, that is 9, that is 3 square. If n is equal to 4, then 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, that is 16, that is 4 square. If n is equal to 5, then 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. If n is equal to 6, then 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11, that is 36, that is 6 square. So, what is the conclusion? Conclusion is for the square of any natural number n equals to the sum of the first n odd numbers. How many numbers lie between n square and 9 square and 10 square? So 2 into 9 is equal to 18. A perfect square can be expressed as a sum of the successive odd natural numbers starting with 1. A perfect square can be expressed as a sum of successive odd natural numbers starting with each. With 1. For any odd natural number n, we can write n square is equal to n square minus 1 by 2 plus n square plus 1 by 2. For example, or any odd natural number n, if n equal to odd natural number, then n square is equal to n square minus 1 plus n square 1 by 2. You can check here 5 square. 5 square is equal to 5 square minus 1 by 2. 5 square plus 1 by 2. Five square 1 is equal to 25. Now we will start solving example number 1. Example number 1. Express the following as sum of two consecutive integers a and b. A is 21 square and b is 17 square. Express the following as sum of two consecutive integers. Square 21 square is equal to 21 square minus 1 by 2 plus 21 square plus 1 by 2 is equal to 441 minus 52 plus 441 plus 1 by 2, that is 440 by 2 plus 442 by 2, that is 220 plus 221. Similarly, 17 square. 17 square is equal to 17 square minus 1 by 2 plus 17 square plus 1 by 2, that is 189 minus 1 by 2 plus 189 plus by 2, that is 188 by 2 plus 190 by 2, that is 94 plus 95 is equal to 189. 144 and 145.